Hi guys, we are finally ready to mix some Jagua. Also, I found out what the actual pronunciation is. It's Jagua. So it's not Jagua, but it's so hard to get into the practice of saying Jagua. So we'll keep trying. Remember how I was complaining about the amount of paper that was in the package? So it turns out that it was all useful pieces of information. So they sent a certificate of registration of their company. So in it, they've done an independent research with their Jagua powder and Jagua juice to see if they are suitable for use on the skin. And there is like detailed description from the company. So the company that they've used is a local company to their area. Evaluation, so the study is called Evaluation of the Potential. Got cut out by the story. So this study is called Evaluation of the Potential of Primary Dermal Irritability, Accumulated Dermal Irritability, Dermal Sensitization, Photosensitivity, and Skin Phototoxicity, supervised by a dermatologist. So the people who participated and judged and studied whether this, so there is a chemist, there is a physician dermatologist, and there is a pharmaceutical officer, and so two chemists, pharmaceutist, that's what it's called. So they have, the purpose of the study is to, it was planned, sorry, I'm just trying to see where that information is. Yes, so it was supervised by a dermatologist, conducted by two chemists. 50 study participants completed the study. They were aged between 18 and 70 years. I won't bore you with too many details of the study, but they did patch tests of all the products that they offer, and it went over a 3-week period, and all the participants got the patch tests applied to their skin 3 times a week for 3 weeks, and then there was an ongoing collection of data to see whether they had had any immediate side effects, any long-term side effects, or any sensitivity to their skin following the application of these products. I feel like that was in fact a lot of detail about the study, but there's like 4 pages of documents, so I just tried to give you the gist. So the conclusion was no irritating phenomena induced or did not cause significant skin sensitization and phototoxicity or photoallergy or was detectable during the study period, and it is considered safe for topical use, supporting in this way the term dermatologically tested and hypoallergenic. But despite that, Jagua is a tropical fruit. So if you are allergic to any tropical fruit, also it mentions in the information document that they have, that if you are allergic to strawberries or any tropical fruits, you should probably get a patch test done before to make sure that the product is safe for you. And if you have any So Jagua is a fruit that grows and is native to the Amazonian rainforest. The scientific name is Juniper americana, and this is a product of Peru. This particular company grows their stuff in Peru. Its extract is 100% natural and handcrafted. It is obtained through the process of juice extraction from the unripe fruit. Juniper americana is used as a natural stain in a variety of cosmetics and art materials. It is commonly used in the staining of fabrics, leathers, woods, and other materials of porous texture. Unlike other chemical-based stains that stain immediately, Juniper americana ink stains through the process of oxidization, and it takes 24 to 72 hours for the color to develop. So pretty much, so the stain development process is similar to henna, and yeah. So the powder can actually be stored in a cool, dark place for about a year, because it is a dehydrated powder and will only become activated once it's mixed with water. The juice, on the other hand, because it is extracted from the fruit and has not been dehydrated, has a very comparatively very short shelf life as compared to the powder. So this one will only last 20 to 25 days in room temperature, and then if you freeze it, it will probably last about 6 months. So I've had this in the fridge since I got it. I'm assuming we've already lost a few days in transit coming from Peru to Australia. So I think because this is the most perishable of the two, let's start with this one. So I'm going to make some Jagua gel today, and I've got some xanthan gum here, and then we're going to mix some of this into the xanthan gum.